Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another video. So in this short video, I'll show you how to disable directory listing for your WordPress security. So what that means is if you go to your website /wp-includes/css, now this will show you all the CSS files which is bad for your WordPress security. To disable them, just log into your cPanel. Let me open a new tab and log into my cPanel. And in the cPanel, just open File Manager. Your cPanel might look a little different. So make sure you open File Manager and access public_HTML. This is where all your website files are stored. Double click on that and we'll have to add a code to .htaccess file. So make sure you download a copy just in case there are any errors. So we will right click and click on Edit. Click on Edit again. And here very carefully you'll be pasting a code that I'm gonna give you. So I'll leave this file in the description. Just copy this options indices and go back to the htaccess file and paste it over here and click on Save Changes, and then close this editor, close the cPanel, just go back to this URL and reload. You can see this is throwing an error for not 3 forbidden. That's how you disable directory listing on your WordPress website to enhance the security. For more videos on WordPress and WordPress security, cPanel and website, don't forget to check out our channel. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave it a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.